Evening, Jenny.
Good evening, Matthew. How is everything in the neighborhood?
Everything is good. Have you seen the new park they are building?
Yes, I have. It looks like it is going to be a great addition to the neighborhood.
I agree. It will be nice to have a place for the kids to play.
Definitely. It is important to have green spaces in the city.
Absolutely. By the way, have you noticed the streetlights on Maple Avenue aren't working?
Yes, I noticed that last night. It's quite dark over there.
I think we should report it to the local council.
That's a good idea. I'll call them tomorrow.
Thanks, Jenny. Do let me know what they say.
I will, Matthew. By the way, did you hear about the community cleanup drive this weekend?
Oh yes. I was thinking of joining. Are you participating?
Definitely. It's a great way to contribute to the neighborhood.
I agree. Plus, it's always fun to meet new people during these events.
Absolutely. Let's go together, shall we?
That's a great idea. Let's meet outside my house at 9 a.m.
Perfect. I'll see you then.
Speaking of the neighborhood, have you seen the new family that moved into the blue house?
Yes, I did. They seem very friendly. Have you met them yet?
Not yet, but I'm planning to drop by and welcome them this week.
That's thoughtful of you. Maybe I'll join you.
That would be lovely. I'm sure they'd appreciate it.
By the way, Matthew, have you been to the new bakery on Main Street?
Not yet. I've heard it's amazing. Have you tried anything from there?
Yes, their cinnamon rolls are to die for. You should give them a try.
I definitely will. Thanks for the recommendation.
No problem. Oh, I meant to ask, how's your garden coming along?
It's doing well. The roses are in full bloom right now.
That's wonderful. I'd love to see them sometime.
You're welcome to drop by anytime, Jenny.
Thank you, Matthew. I'll take you up on that soon.
Sure thing. Well, I should get going now. Have a good evening, Jenny.
You too, Matthew.
Jenny, have you noticed the new bike lane near Elm Street?
Yes, I saw it this morning. It's a great addition for cyclists.
I agree. It makes the neighborhood more pedestrian and bike-friendly.
Absolutely. My nephew is excited to try it out this weekend.
That's wonderful. It's good to encourage safe cycling for kids.
Speaking of kids, have you heard about the summer camp at the community center?
Yes, I did. It sounds like a great opportunity for them to learn and have fun.
Exactly. My niece has already signed up for the art classes there.
That's lovely. I heard they have a gardening workshop too.
They do. It's a wonderful way to engage the kids with nature.
Jenny, I saw you walking with your dog earlier. Is he feeling better now?
Yes, thankfully. He had a small injury last week, but he's recovering well.
I'm glad to hear that. He's such a lively little guy.
Thank you, Matthew. He loves being outdoors, so the park is his favorite place.
That's great. Maybe I'll join you for a walk sometime.
I'd love that. By the way, Matthew, do you know if there's a handyman in the area?
Oh yes, Mr. Patel is excellent. He's helped me with a few repairs.
That's great to know. I need someone to fix a leaky faucet.
I'll give you his number. He's very reliable.
Thank you, Matthew. That would be a big help.
Jenny, did you see the announcement about the monthly farmers market?
Yes, I did. I'm planning to go this Saturday.
Me too. I love getting fresh produce directly from the farmers.
Same here. Plus, they often have delicious homemade jams and breads.
Exactly. Let's meet there.
That's a plan. Oh, by the way, Matthew, have you tried the yoga classes at the park?
Not yet, but I've heard they're very relaxing.
They are. I go every Tuesday and Thursday. You should join me sometime.
I'd love to. It sounds like a great way to stay active.
Jenny, I noticed the library has some new books in their collection.
Really? That's exciting. I was thinking of borrowing a good novel.
They've got a fantastic selection of mysteries this month.
That's perfect. I'll check it out tomorrow. Thanks for letting me know.
Anytime, Matthew. Oh, I meant to ask, have you been to the community potluck before?
Yes, it's a wonderful event. Everyone brings such delicious dishes.
I'm thinking of participating this year. What do you usually make?
I usually bake a pie. It's always a hit.
That's a great idea. Maybe I'll bring a pasta salad.
Sounds delicious. Have you noticed how vibrant the flowers are at the park entrance?
Yes, they're beautiful. I think the gardening club has done a fantastic job.
They truly have. It makes the neighborhood so welcoming.
I agree. I've been thinking of joining the club myself.
You should. They're always looking for new members.
I'll consider it. By the way, Matthew, have you tried the new cafe on Birch Avenue?
Not yet, but I've heard great things about it.
Their coffee is amazing, and they have a cozy reading corner.
That sounds perfect. Let's go together sometime.
I'd love that. Let's plan for next week.